Good morning, class 5. Myself Ranjit Kumar. I welcome you all in the e-learning program of Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, Nevada. This is the first video lecture of the chapter The Moon and the Eclipse. So, before directly jumping into the chapter, first I will explain you the topic, means heading. What is the moon? You know what is moon? The bright structure or the big structure or the celestial body or heavenly body that we see in the sky is called moon. So some information that I want to say you, moon is our closest neighbor, means moon हम लोग से सबसे नजदीक है in space. मीन्स इन स्पेस मून इज आवर क्लोजेस्ट नेबर, सबसे नजदीक का पड़ोसी है. फर्स्ट इंफॉर्मेशन. सेकेंड, मून इज एन ओपेक ऑब्जेक्ट. वो एक ओपेक ऑब्जेक्ट है, मीन्स उसके थ्रू उसके आर पार लाइट पास नहीं हो सकता है. There is no atmosphere on the moon. If there is no atmosphere, there is no water on the moon. If there is no water on the moon, life is not possible on the moon. Third point, we see moon bright, means white, bright color during night, but it do not have its own light. It reflects the light of the sun that shines on the moon. So three information I have told you. Four information. First is it is our closest neighbor in the space. Second, it is an opaque object, means, and third, there is no life possible on the moon because there is no atmosphere and no water. And fourth, I have told you that the moon do not have its own light. It reflects the light of the sun that falls on it. Next thing, the surface of the moon. The surface of the moon's surface is not plain. It is not plain. It has mountains, it has hills, it has valleys and craters. Means it has big mountains, small hills, valleys, means the area which is very down from the surface, valleys, big craters. What is craters? Big holes that has been formed on the surface of the moon by hitting of meteorites. Means meteorites are the object that is present in the space. Sometimes when due to gravitation of the moon, it entered or moved towards the moon and it strike the surface of the moon. What is meteorites? Means the object, it can be anything, it can be rock, it can be minerals, anything which is there in the space. Sometimes it come towards the moon and when it strike the moon, it create a big hole in the surface, on the surface of the moon, that is called craters. So this meteorites create craters. So what I have told you, surface of moon is not plain. It has mountains, hills, valleys and craters. Next thing I am saying that no life is possible on the moon because there is no air, no water on the moon. One more thing what I am saying here, you know we have atmosphere. What is atmosphere? Blanket of air is called atmosphere. On moon there is no atmosphere. If there is no atmosphere, then temperature varies very differently. Means temperature on the moon changes very quickly. When during sunshine, the moon remains very hot, but during night when there is no sun, at that time, during night when there is no sun, at that time it become very cold. So due to absence of atmosphere, temperature varies very quickly. During daytime it is very hot and during night time it is very cold. So life is not possible because this is one more reason is there, that temperature changes very quickly on the moon. Okay, so see, the moon is our closest neighbor in space. Moon has no atmosphere, or so no life. Moon do not has its own light, do not have its own light. It reflects the light from the sun. Okay, so these three information you have to keep in your mind. Next is the moon's surface. Surface of moon is not plane. So I have told you the surface of moon is not plane. It has क्या क्या है? Hills, mountains, valleys and craters. What are craters? Craters are deep holes on moon's ground created by hitting of meteorites. Next, mountains on the moon are very rough and sharp. Means the mountain of the moon is rough and sharp. ऐसा हम लोग जानते हैं कि बारिश हवा के कारण ही ईट मीन्स पत्थर जो होता है वो धीरे धीरे टूट टूट के वो मीन्स सॉइल बनता है. बट देर इज नो एयर, नो वाटर ऑन द मून, सो the rocks which is present on the moon are rough and sharp. Okay, next, temperature of moon changes quickly due to absence of atmosphere. मीन्स मून का जो टेम्परेचर है वो बहुत तेजी से बदलता है. इसका कारण क्या है? एटमॉस्फेयर का नहीं होना, एब्सेंस ऑफ एटमॉस्फेयर. इट इज वेरी हॉट when sun shines. जब धूप लगता है तो वहां पे टेम्परेचर बहुत हाई होता है. ड्यूरिंग नाइट इट इज वेरी कोल्ड. ओके, सो during night it is very cold, and during day when there is sun then the temperature is very hot. Okay, one small point that I will write here. I have explained already that life do not exist on the moon due to absence of water and air. So that I will write and you will note it down. Life do not exist on moon due to absence of air and water. So we know we need air and water to survive. So as I have already discussed, there is no air or water on the moon. So life do not exist on the moon. Okay. So you see, you read the book, go through it, and in next video we will discuss phases of moon. Okay.